Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Daria Wear. Today we are talking bags, vintage bags, bags that you've been, received from family members, passed down. I received 2 bags from my mom years ago, and I guess I just kind of hung on to them until I was in that phase of wanting to wear designer. And so I kind of didn't wear them as often. I would just pull them out, wear it with something, and put it away because I didn't want them, to get damaged or anything. My mom always tells me the story that she spent tons of money on designer stuff, and at one point either she gave it all away or her friends took it. I don't really know. All I know is I have 2 bags, 2 of her bags that she had. And so obviously these would be considered vintage because I'm 31 going on 32, and these bags are older than me. So yeah, the first bag that I have is this really nice Fendi Tote, and I love it. Like, I literally love it. The size is really nice, but it has a lot of wear. Again, this thing is older than me. So I've had it in the back of my mind, like, Daria, you should go ahead and see if you can get it like rehabbed and get it all fixed up, just so you can see. And then the side, some of the seams are kind of busting out. So yeah, it's always been in the back of my mind that I want to get the bags rehabbed. And so I kind of just waited around. I did a little research, but I was like, you know what, if the right company will come around and I'll be able to reach out and things like that. Of course, I've asked Gucci, I've asked Louis Vuitton, which I don't have a Louis Vuitton bag that I want to get rehabbed right now, or refreshed rather. But I did ask Gucci. They were like, people in the store didn't really know. And again, this is an old bag. These are old bags. So I was like, it was worth asking. But I did come across Purse Rehab, and they are based out of California. And so I was like, okay, this is perfect. They're close. And basically what you do is you send them an email with pictures to get a quote on how much it'll cost to fix whatever is wrong with your bag. And this is not even only for older bags. This is for bags that you may have that, might need the straps fixed, or might need to be, like, they have turned bags into, I've seen like sneakers, like they do a lot. So I'll make sure to link their Instagram so you can check out some of their videos. They do some great work. But outside of that, I do have another bag. This is the Gucci bag that I have. That was my mom's. And the seams are coming apart on this one. And I don't know what the hell my mom was doing, but this, it's kind of coming apart almost. So with that being said, I was like, okay, I'll reach out, see how much it'll cost to get this one fixed, how much it'll cost to get the Fendi bag fixed. And both of them were pretty reasonable. So to get the Gucci bag fixed, fix the seams, fix the strap, it's gonna cost me, well, I already paid for this one, $205. Not bad. Like, I sat on it for a while because I was like, let's see. But I went ahead and paid, and so I'm going to mail this off today. And then I'll piece together the videos once I receive the bag back. So yeah, I can talk about the whole process once I get the bag back, or once I ship it off. I'll let you guys know the timing of it. But yes, $205 to get this one rehabbed, and then I think this one was around $252. So I'm gonna just do one bag first, and then I'm gonna do this bag next. But yeah, I was just excited to kind of get my mom's bags fixed up so that I have something of hers. Because getting things passed down from family, it does, nowadays you really don't really have that, you know what I'm saying? So it was really important to me, and I know when I have my kids, I want to make sure that I have something that I can pass down to them. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can share at this moment, but I'll make sure to piece together the videos so I can share more about the process.
4 to 6 weeks later.
I received my Gucci bag back from Purse Rehab, and so I want to show you guys how it turned out. It did take 6 weeks. They quoted me 6 to 8 weeks, so obviously, you know, even though time is flying right now, I was definitely excited and anticipating getting my bag. So once I got it in the mail, I was pretty excited about it. So let's get right into it. So I showed you guys on the first half of the video what it looked like beforehand. Obviously the seams were busted, and things like that. So what it had in the package was my old strap. So just so you can see. Okay, see where the seam was, I mean, just kind of torn. It was about time to go. But yeah, so they included that inside of the bag. And when I tell y'all, the strap that they added onto it looks exactly the same. Like exactly the same. Both brown. Matches my bag. It does have like a sheen to it, but it works out because I needed a new strap. I honestly should have told them that I wanted a longer strap. That would have been great, but you know, it is what it is. Maybe I'll add my own strap to it. I don't know, we're gonna play around with that. So here's what the bag looks like now. So like I told you or showed you, the seams were busted. I could literally put my finger in between here and the zipper. So they've fixed that part. So just so you can see, they did a really, really good job on the seams. There are no holes whatsoever. So they fixed that. And then the strap was the other issue. What else? It's really in good condition. I'm excited about how it turned out. Because you want to keep the integrity of the bag, especially because it's vintage. This is not something you can just go into the store and buy. This was passed down to me. So yeah, I'm just excited to be able to hold on to this, keep it for my daughter when it's time, and carry it when I can, but keeping it in really good condition. So I really appreciate you guys over at Purse Rehab for fixing my bag. I paid for it. It was only, I think it was like what did I tell you guys, 200 something. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and send my Fendi bag next, to get that one, because I think I'll probably carry the Fendi bag way more often, only because, like I said, this strap is very, very short. It's short, it comes about to right here, so it's not a bad length, but I kind of wish it was a little lower, like right here. So yes, I'm just happy that I have an option that if I have any repairs that need to be done that I can't do at the actual designer store, that I can just send my bag off, and then I'm confident that they'll fix it. But I still follow them obviously on Instagram, and they do a ton of things. Like they turn people's bags that have been that cannot be salvaged, they turn them into sandals, or they, you know, they do a ton. So I'll make sure to put their website, their Instagram in the description. And then I'll also make sure to update you guys and show you how the Fendi bag turns out as well. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Just make sure you are subscribed, make sure you like, comment, and I will check you guys later. Bye.